Welcome. Let's talk about an interesting case study for your geography optional and very related to GS this time is River Seine, and that lies in Paris in France, the place where the Olympics 2024 are being held. Now when we are talking about rejuvenation of Ganga River, let's talk about some of the steps that has been taken by Paris to clean up Seine River. Now, as you can see in the map, this is the map of France, and here goes the Seine River, crosses the region of Paris, and finally empties into English Channel at Le Havre. Now, this river itself is nearly 485 miles long, and this river at Paris is actually the site where you can see one of the longest cable stayed bridges, which is called as Pont de Normandie. Along with that, besides that, you have Eiffel Tower, which can be seen, and this actually originates near the region of Dijon, as you can see, and that is where the plateau area of Langres lies. So that's a little about the geographical aspect of the river. But coming again, to clean this river was a very high cost, because it has been believed that E. coli and Enterococcus have affected the river because of the sewerage lines being draining into the river, and in this river swimming has been banned since long. So to clean up this river was a very important idea, and just to clean up this river, nearly $1.5 billion, or we can say euro, nearly 1.4 billion were spent to clean this river through the region of Paris, which is one of the most populous areas of France. And this was expensive in the way that only building one super sewer, which was done. We'll talk about three important steps that have been taken. So that one single super sewer which has been built costed nearly euro 300 million. Now, this idea was not just to bring in a river where Olympic swimming competition could be done, but this was again an initiative to earmark the vital infrastructure of the region of Paris. Also, if it was believed that after so much efforts, even in certain case, if the river is not clean, the aquatic stadium, which is hosting the rowing and the canoeing activities, would host the swimming competitions as well, and that was at Vaires-sur-Marne. Right? So let's talk about some of the steps that have been taken to clean this river. So as we said, Enterococcus, E. coli and some assorted microorganisms have been popularly growing in this region, and this river is the first urban river that would be used after 1896 for the Olympic swimming competition. So definitely it was a difficult step forward to bring this idea into picture, and even in the river Seine since 1923, swimming has been banned because of the we can say the kind of microorganisms and the E. coli growth, which could affect the people who are swimming in the form of nausea or diarrhea. Right? Now, what are the three important steps that have been taken? The first is the financial initiatives and public campaign to help nearly 10,000 rural households and the houseboat owners in the upstream area, to encourage them to stop the discharge of sewer into the river and divert it into the sewer system. So for those 10,000 households and houseboat owners, this was a very big financial initiative that was taken. The second important aspect was, before the river arrives into Paris, in this region itself, south of Paris, there would be a super sewer built, the cost of which we already talked was euro 300 million, and this was nearly 6 miles south, approximately 6 miles south of Paris, and this would be the first super sewer which would be built in its place to keep the city of Paris clean from sewer. Now, even if one episode or one diagnosis was made in the river, this river would be deemed unfit for the competitions for swimming. So again, this was a big issue. The second and the third important aspect was a cathedral size basin has been built beneath the Garze de Ostrazet railway station, and that can catch nearly 50,000 cubic meters of storm water which overflows, and this can be pumped back into the sewer once the storm subsides. So again, this was a very big project that was taken into account. With these three important steps, there were definite moves to ensure that the river gets clean, and this becomes the very first river after 1896 to host the swimming competition in a urban river. So again, a very important topic for your UPSC optional, important case study if you are asked about rejuvenation of Ganga river, the steps that should be taken. You can bring in this Paris Seine river as one of the case studies and examples. And again, if you have questions in GS pertaining to Olympics and the aspects of it, again this can be an important thing that can be brought. And yes, here we have the phone number where you can contact us for more information and details. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day ahead.